How to use auto brightness. Too bright in the dark, too dim in the sun. Let your phone handle that with auto brightness. It means Screen Smart 101. Let's switch it on in second. Swipe up twice from the top and tap on gear icon. Tap display. Then look for something like adaptive brightness or auto brightness. Flip that switch to on. Your phone now adjusts brightness based on how bright your environment is. In the sun, it cranks up the brightness. In the bed at 2 a.m., it chill out to save your eyes and your battery. No more flashlight face in the dark or squinting under the sun. Your screen now works with you, not against you. Like that tip, brighten up my day with a like. Got screen question or brightness beef? Comment below. Hit subscribe because we are making Android smarter one setting at a time. See you in the next time.